Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, thrift store flips, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers that have been with me from the beginning. I appreciate you, and a big hearty welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for coming over and joining me on my crafting and saving journey, and also with my dogs. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoy my videos and continue to watch and comment. I want to take a moment to say thank you so much to Marina from Confessions of a Dollar Tree Addict, Constance from Butterfly Mom Creations and more, and Beth from Chi-Town Girl for helping me to achieve, drumroll please, 500 subscribers! Yay! We did it, guys! Thank you so much. I am so happy. I'm over the moon. It's great. I love it. So thank you so much for everybody and all your help to get me to this point. I appreciate you guys. And as Constance and everybody says, next stop, 1,000. So here we go. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's projects. And I want to let you know as well that if you want to get in on my 500 subscriber giveaway that I have promised, that will be posted in this video, what the giveaway is, as well as how to enter. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's projects. They are some quick and easy fall and Halloween projects that I thought you guys would enjoy using mostly Dollar Tree items, or actually I think all Dollar Tree items, because you know what? Your girl likes to save money. As always, a list of the supplies needed will be in the description box below. If you like this video, give this girl a thumbs up. It helps me out. It's totally free. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Come join my family. We have a lot of fun here. We have a good time. And it's great. I love you guys, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. For our first project, you'll need one of these easels from the Dollar Tree, a rub-on transfer sticker of your choice. Optional will be some ribbon. This is just from the Dollar Tree, black and white buffalo check, or twine. And if you're going to use the ribbon, you're going to need a pair of scissors and a glue gun. So this one is so easy, guys, you're not going to believe it. So we're just going to take the sticker out of the packaging. And it says first to peel off the backing from the sticker, like so. And then you're going to place it on here. But if you're going to put a bow, you want to make sure you leave room at the top for your bow. And then it says rub firmly. So I'm going to use my little makeup spatula here to rub it firmly. Also, if you're going to use a glue gun, I recommend using this so you don't hurt yourself. And then you're gently, I have to rub it some more. I'm going to peel it off, but continue to rub as you go in case you miss stuff. You know what, guys? I should have brought, I can use this glue stick. I should have brought my little piece from the craft section. They have an actual little scraper thing that you can use like with vinyl. I left it downstairs. So we're going to make do with what we got, guys. We're going to make do. So this is like a rub-on transfer. So you're just going to keep rubbing it. If you hear a banging, I apologize. We're getting a new furnace because ours broke last winter. Ah, look at that. Very nice. So I made a cute little bow out of the ribbon. And then I'm just going to take my glue gun. I'm going to pick a spot for my bow. Put a little dollop of glue. Put my bow down. And there you have it. For our second project, you'll need some of these mini glass containers, which I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Some of these cool Halloween spooky stickers. Optional, some tube confetti. And you will probably also need a glue gun because I heard the stickers are a little tricky. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our bottles here. And we're going to pick our stickers out. They have some pretty good ones. Like this one actually says Witch's Brew on it. These ones have little skulls. So if you want to cut them out individually, you're going to need a pair of scissors. So I'm going to get my stickers out here. And I am going to, there's all sorts of choices here. I think I'm going to cut out one of these skulls here because I want the skull. So I'm going to cut the sticker out. But you don't have to. They have like these little seals that you could use. You can use whatever you want. But I'm going to cut out this skull. If I can. Like I said, we always doing this together, guys. So this project is for all you people that cannot find those cute little Witch's Brew jars. Myself included. Couldn't find them. So we're going to make do with what we got. So theoretically, I'm going to peel the sticker off the back. And let me round out the corners here. It's a little rough around the edges. And we're still doing this, guys. We'll get there eventually. Getting this sticker off the back. Be right back. Alright, I finally got that little sticker off, so I'm just going to take a little dab of glue from my hot glue gun. And then I'm going to take my sticker and put it on the glue. So then you have this really cute little spooky jar. And then also, if you want, I'm going to do one with one of these little seals. You could put like the seal on it as well. I'm actually going to put the seal on the bottom. So I'm going to put another little dab of glue here. And then I'm going to put the seal sticker on there. So then I have my little Witch's Brew jar. And then here comes the fun part. If you want, you can take some of this tube confetti here and fill up your jar. So we're going to do that. So let's pop the cork. And I am just going to cut a little corner off here. And we're just going to spill some of this confetti in here. Or spill it all over. Because we all know Mercedes has got shaky hands. Almost there. So as I mentioned, this part is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. but I think it's super fun. And then put our little cork back on it. And then look at that, guys. We have our own little spooky, trying to get a good picture of it, spooky witch's brew jar. All right, as promised, I have my 500 subscriber giveaway. And if you guys want to see what's in the giveaway, let's go ahead and have a look. So the first item in my giveaway will be one of these gold Spa Life face masks. There's a bunch of goodies, so get comfy, grab a drink and a snack. It might be a hot minute. I am including a titania file, a set of the Yeah, You Are Amazing body oils. And I want to take a moment to say thank you to Constance over at Butterfly Mom Creations and More, because some of these, actually a lot of these items were given to me by her for my 500 subscriber giveaway. So thank you, Constance, for generously donating some of these items. I appreciate you. You're fabulous. We have the pillow cover that says Make Today Beautiful. We have a set of the Brookstone scissors and nail clipper set. We have the Pro Effects Kick Off Your Mani Starter Nail Treatment Pro Kit. We have a nail file that's a 4-in-1 file caddy that says Dream Big in the little box to hold it in. We have the Hello Sea Salt Citrus Mermaid Sea Spray Lotion. And to go with that lotion, we have the Hello Sea Salt Citrus Body Mist in the super cute mermaid bottle. I've included the Yardley London Deep Cleansing Facial Tillets in the Dead Sea Minerals. We have the St. Ives Face Mist in the with Calming Lavender scent. We have the Pro Effects Sticky Base Coat for your manicure. We have a Makeup Blender Sponge, a couple of makeup brushes, a contour Wet n Wild brush, and a small eyeshadow brush. And then a Young Living eyeshadow brush. We have a set of the Believe Beauty Delicate Finish eyelashes. I'll try to get it there so you can flip around so you can see. And to put on your eyelashes, I've included a Ioni Everlasting Lash Glue. And then, all right, and before we get into the makeup, a couple more goodies. I have a Bubble gift set for makeup lovers, double cleansing duo that has a makeup remover, a gel cleanser, and a satin scrunchie. And then a pair of the super cute Isaac Mizrahi cheetah print slippers. And then now, as promised, on to the makeup. First up, we have the Hard Candy Velvet Mousse Matte Lip Color in Spider Orchid. So it comes in this cute little tin. You can see there. Look at how pretty that is. We have a Wet n Wild Enhance and Define Full Healthy Lashes Very Black Mega Wear Mascara. A Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. I'm just looking to see if it had a name. We have for your lips, I'm looking for it here, it's on the bag. So we have the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Red the Scene. And to go with that, we have a Miracle Matte Metallic Liquid Lip from Flower Beauty. so they go together. We go together like I love that movie. Alright, so we have a Wet n Wild Think Pink Mega Last lip color. We have a Burt's Bees Matte Stick Liquid Honey. We have a Milani Prime Shield Face Primer to get you all primed and ready for your makeup. There is a Believe Beauty eyeshadow. All sorts of goodies in here. There is a Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Balm. I love these. It's one of my favorite things to wear. We have a Rimmel London Stay Glossy and Sippin' Lip Gloss. We have a Ardell Metallic Lip Gloss and Blind Date. We have a Revlon lipstick in Desert Escape. We have the Color Made Easy Bronzer Blush from Femme Couture. I love this. I think it's so pretty. We have a CoverGirl Alfresco eyeshadow palette. And one of the pièces de résistance, a Bare Necessities Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Look at all this beautifulness there. And then one last item, I have a Sugar Fix by Bubble Bar nickel-free set of pearl earrings. So, to get in on this giveaway, a couple things. One, you must be one of my subscribers. If you aren't, go ahead and smash that button down below. You must give this video a thumbs up. You must comment down below hashtag 500. That is hashtag 500. You must live in the continental United States and have a United States postal mailing address. Sorry, international friends. I love you so much. I appreciate you, but shipping is just outrageous. I'm sorry. You have to be over the age of 18. I want to let you know that all these items were either purchased by me or my friend Constance for this giveaway, and it is not sponsored by YouTube. I will keep this giveaway open until next week. I will announce my winner on Saturday's video, which I believe is the beginning of October. So you want to keep an eye out. The winner will be posted in that video, so you're going to want to keep an eye out for that. So I want to thank you guys so much for coming and joining my channel. I really appreciate you guys so much for liking, commenting, sharing, everything that you've done to help me to get to 500 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed this giveaway. I hope you like it. And also, if you don't mind, comment down below too and let me know what your favorite item is from this giveaway. I'd kind of like to know. I love each and every one of you. And then until next time, goodbye.